Good morning, Snowbird. It is Tuesday morning, maybe about 9 o'clock. Sun's up. We've got some mountain construction going on for the ski season, and here's what it looks like right now. We're taking another walk just to see what is going on at the Snowbirds this morning. It is Tuesday, and it's a lovely day up here. We didn't document our lunch. We had a good hot ham and cheese sandwich on whole wheat.
Peppers on it.
Yeah.
Really good.
And then we have,
Now I have a bruise.
yeah, delicious. Well, you just couldn't stay away from the laundry, could you?
No, you made
Look at all that laundry. Nicely folded and everything. What are you doing, Christina? Now you want a baby one for Ollie.
Because they're cute.
It's a rock.
It's rough, but it's cute.
Now we're in the Patagonia outlet store. Don't get in trouble. Alright, we're in downtown and we're checking out the library. Archie Etcher.
It's supposed to be pretty cool.
Yeah. So this is the insides. Pretty cool. Christy's sitting in one of these little pods up here, across from the library section. We're at the boba place, and Christy's trying the signature boba, brown sugar, tapioca, such. What do you think? It's delicious. Well, little minivan, you wouldn't start, so we gotta bring you back and get a different minivan. So we're returning the minivan. We had such a good time.
Who knows?
Bye, little minivan. They must think we have a large family because we went from a minivan to another minivan, and this thing is huge. So minivan life, it's not over yet. You might be the new love of our lives. We don't know yet. Okay, we got some cheese curds to start off with.
The beers.
And some beers, and Christy's wearing her new Patagonia that she got at the outlet, Patagonia outlet store. How cool is that?
Ideal.
Yeah. So here we are. We're sitting outside. Everyone's having a good time. It's a beautiful evening out at Uintah Brewing. What did you get?
The Nomad Burger?
A burger?
Yes.
So what have we learned about this group of people over here at the next table?
We feel they're a book club. We know they're a book club.
Yeah.
Our next book is The Schling.
Everyone was happy about that.
Everybody was very excited.
Yeah. I wonder if the book club involves movies, because they were talking about a movie for the current book or something like that. So maybe they read books that are also movies, so that maybe you can compare and contract the book.
We
Contrast.
also learned that the guy at the bar knows Erin.
Yeah.
Loves her.
Yeah.
As do we.
As do we.
So there's that.
Wait, him or her? We love him or her?
We don't know him enough to love him.
We love
But
Erin?
He's very nice. We like him a lot.
We don't love Erin. We just like her. She's acceptable. Sometimes.
Erin.
She's not gonna see this video. She doesn't watch our family videos, so